Hey there everybody, my name's Grace and this fall I'm going to be your learning assistant for the Animal Biology and Ethics Pre-Vet CAT community. I'm a senior, but just like all of you, I'm a bio major and a pre-vet, so we already have that in common. I also love to get outside, do yoga, maybe just hang around rewatching The Office for the 1000th time in a row. Some say it's a bit of an obsession for me, but I like to call it a passion. Some also may say I have an obsession with orangutans. I don't know why they'd be saying that, though. Enough about me. Our CAT community is going to be a great opportunity for new students for a lot of reasons. The first is you get to learn about all of our resources that we have here on campus to help you in both your personal and your academic journey while you're here at K-State. You also get to build a really strong relationship with your pre-vet advisor. She's the one who actually teaches the class, so you get to know her super well. And also we hope to help you understand what it takes to be a competitive applicant for vet school. I know it can be a little daunting, a little scary, so we're hopefully here to set you up with some foundation information and things to be thinking about as you go along. And lastly, my personal favorite part is you get to build a really strong community within our class of like-minded people who have similar goals, so we can hopefully all support each other along the way and make some friends in the process, which who doesn't like that? So in that, as your learning assistant, it's my role to not only help facilitate the class, but also serve as what I like to think of as like a mentor and a friend. I'm here to answer any questions you may have. If it's, I'm failing a class, what do I do? Or you just need advice, or I'm new to campus, what should I do? Or just like anything under the sun, don't be shy. Seriously, I've been in your shoes. I've been a freshman. I'm still in your shoes as a student. I totally understand what you guys are going through. I'm here to just be a resource and support all of you. So if anything I've said sounds a little bit interesting, you should definitely join our CAT community. We'd love to have you, and I can't wait to meet all of you guys this fall. Go Cats!